In this lesson, let us learn about selecting specific condition based on patterns that matches that condition. In this case, we'll use two clauses, that is, and expression clauses, which are used to perform pattern matching. Let us start with the like clause, and in this case, we'll say the name, that is, the student name is like. In this case, we have specific terms or words that we use to show this, and we want student name whose last name, who has the name John in the year. In the year name, let's see, and we'll use the percentage sign to show that it starts with the name John. We have John Doe and John Mike. These two start with the name John, and we can change this to show students whose names end with the name John. We have Alex John, we have Big John, and we have Baby John. All these terms, that is the term the clause like selects based on the pattern. That is, our pattern is the name John. This is the underscore. When we are using the underscore, we are specific on the number of letters, that is the characters in a name. And let's try with Biggie and Kitty, and let's see, one represent a single character, a single underscore, one characters, two characters, three. Then let's see a name that's ends with Y and have 4 letters. There we go. We have Biggie and we have Katie for 3 letters and ending with Y. We can use the percentage sign. Let's see if there is a name that ends with that. There are names that ends with Y. There are many. And that's basically it. Let's see if there are names that ends with NY. We can use that. We have names that ends with, let's see, and let's see if there are names that ends with NE. We don't have any names that ends with NE. That's basically how we use the like clause.